I hope you guys can able to see my screen, right? Guys, let me confirm.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, Mukesh. Yep.
Yeah, very good morning, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, so Mukesh, like you are going to the recording sessions. Previously, you didn't join. You missed some of the sessions, right?
Right, right.
So did you face any issues in the recording sessions?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me know if you have any issues in the recordings, and we can have a discussion on that. Okay.
Right, sir, right.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Sounds good. Yeah. Oh,
Basically, I have a very good knowledge about the Azure, sir, so that I don't have any kind of issues.
yeah. That really sounds good, man. So you have
Yeah.
an knowledge on Azure, then AWS will be a little bit easy for you.
Yes, exactly, sir.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. See, in the last session, we learned about the Maven, and theoretically, we seen how exactly the Maven is going to uh, work, and we see the all those kind of things, guys. So now today we will try to install the Maven, and we will see how exactly it is going to work. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you, did you any like branching strategy could you follow?
Branching strategies that will be in the so that will be there in the next sessions,
Okay, okay, sir.
because see, we learn about the branching only, but branching strategy we are going to learn in the while doing the CI/CD pipelines, we are going to learn that.
Right, sir, right.
Okay.
We are following the trunk-based branching studies.
Which one? Which one?
I'm not talking about we are following the trunk-based branching strategy.
We will discuss detail in that particular session, Mukesh. So
Okay, okay,
right
sir.
now, because people will get confused.
Right,
Okay.
right, sir. Right, right.
Because see, there's so much information also leads you to confuse confuse you in so many in sometimes. Okay.
Right, sir. Right.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So right now, just I was trying to launching one EC2 mission. Okay, the mission name will be the Maven server. So Red Hat. So T2 Micro guys, again the same. I was using the same key pair, same security group, and I was launching the instances. Yeah. Hey Kiran, so why you didn't join in the last session, man? He's Oh, she left. I asked why he didn't join in the last session. Again, he left. Okay. Yep. Uh, one second, guys. Okay. So here I'm going to connect in this particular method. Okay. So now there are the two ways of installation, guys. Okay. So one is a direct installation, another one will be the manual installation. So now, so for Maven, okay, we will go with the manual installation, then later we will see how exactly things are going to work. Okay. Then sudo su hyphen. So guys, can somebody tell me why we need to use this particular command called sudo su hyphen?
For the super users. So
Yeah, for the super user. Okay. Yeah. So now here what I'm going to do, so instead of this IP address, I'm going to change into the Maven server. Okay, because what exactly I'm going to do, I was trying to modify the host name. I was trying to modify the host name, guys. Okay, so where exactly host name is available? It is available in the etc host name. See, this is what exactly the system name, guys. This is what exactly the system name. Okay, so now I was trying to update as a Maven server. I was trying to update as a Maven server. So why we need to update as a Maven server? Because see, right now we are working on a one single, okay, we are working on a one single EC2 instances. So for us, it's very easy to handle the things. But when it's coming to the real time scenario, you are going to have a lot of Okay, so you are going to handle a lot of EC2 instances. Sometimes you guys might be forget the IP address. Sometimes you guys may not be remember the IPs also. That is the reason always change the host name according to our server configuration. Okay, so vi etc host name. Okay, so here I will click here, then here I will add a maven. So maven server. Okay, so now, okay, see, once if you change the host name, okay, so there are two ways. Either you can source the host name, okay, so but in my, okay, either you can source the host name or either you can restart the server. In my case, I will try to reboot the server because what happened once if you reboot, right? Okay, the newly changed host name is going to reflect all over the all over the system whenever is required. Sorry, wherever is required. Okay, see Maven server. So now how we can able to do the restart? Okay, if you want, you can able to do the restart from here. Okay, you can able to do the restart from here, or if you want, you can able to do the restart from the here also. If you do the init 6, then it is trying to reboot the server. Okay, init 6 is trying to reboot the server. Okay. See now if you guys see here, mm, okay, it's supposed to be restarted. Will take time, guys, to reconnect. Yeah. See now, see now we have a user and the Maven server with along with the IP. So now we can easily identify this is belongs to the Maven server. This is belongs to the Maven server. Again, sudo su hyphen. Okay. So now first, okay. So first we will installing the supporting packages. Okay. So yum install vim 3. So these two are the supporting packages which we need to install over here. Okay. So then again we need to yeah. So yes. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So now we need to install the Java. We need to install the Java. But before we are going to install the Java, first we need to go to the Maven site. So Maven install. So Apache Maven. Okay. So right now Apache Maven was having the 3.99 version. Okay. So it's required the Maven home. Okay. And it's required the Java version and it's required the Java home. Okay. So first we are trying to set up the Java home. Then later we will try to set up the Maven home. Then later we will install the Apache Maven. Then later we will install the Apache Maven, guys. So first we will install the Java. Okay, so to install the Java, so we have a option called yum install. So now it is trying to install the Java. Okay, guys. See, right now our Java is installed. Then we can search like Java hyphen version. So it is not coming. So now we need to go Java hyphen version. See, now we have a Java runtime will be there. We have a Java runtime will be there. But what happened if we want to install, we require a Java home. So we require a Java home. So what exactly it is Java home is saying like that. So we need to give you the Java executable path. We need to give you the Java executable path as a environmental variable. So as a environmental variable. So that is a reason it is asking. Okay. So but where exactly this Java is installed? So because we don't know where exactly this Java is installed. So in that cases, we need to use the command called where. So where Java. Sorry. Where is Java? See, not only this one, guys. If any package you want to see where exactly it is installed, then you need to use the option called where is. So where is this particular package name? It is going to give you the path of that particular package, guys. Path of that particular package. Even it is mentioned in the documentation also. I will try to update here. So where is Java? Okay. So now it is available in the CD user lib JVM. So CD user lib JVM, guys. See CD user. CD user lib. Okay. So now CD slash user slash lib ls. Okay. cd.user.lib ls. So here in this library, we do have a folder called JVM. So JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Mission. See, JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Mission, guys. So Java runtime environment. Okay. So now cd slash user slash lib slash JVM. Okay, so this is what exactly the executable path. This is what exactly the one moment, guys. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So now here we need to set up this particular executable path in a bash profile. So now I will come to the point what exactly mean by this bash profile, guys. Okay, again cd route ls-la. Okay, see when you do the ls-la, okay, so here we are going to have a bash history, bash profile, and okay, so bash history, bash profile, and bash lagout. Now I will show you what exactly mean by the bash history. See, whenever you do the bash history, it is going to have a what and all commands we run in the previous login session. What and all commands we run in the previous command session. Okay, when you do the bash, okay, so bash history, we are going to have a previous user login commands. So similarly, when you do the bash logout, when you use the bash logout, then here we are going to have a logout information, but currently we don't have any logout information. Then when it's coming to the bash profile, sorry, the dash, it's a hidden folders, guys. Bash profile. See, this is what exactly the bash profile, guys. So this bash profile is nothing but it is a, okay, it is a user profile, guys. Each and every user will have a bash profile, and here you guys can able to see user specific environments and the startup programs. What exactly the bash profile is going to do? For example, if you want to run any package irrespective of the directory, okay, so we need to set up the environmental variable. So once if you specify the environmental variable wherever you want, okay, so wherever you want, you can able to execute that particular package without having the issue, guys, without having the any issues. Okay, so now we need to do the this particular thing. So vim bash profile, so this is fine. So now what I'm going to do, so cd user lib jvm, okay, so ls, yeah, so this is what the executable path. So now I will copy this java thing, okay, then I will try to paste it here. Okay, so I will try to paste it here, guys. Okay, so now vim bash profile. Okay, so now bash profile is opened. Okay, so now click on an insert. Okay, okay, so now I will try to export the Java home. So exporting the Java home. Okay, then at the same time, I am going to set up the path also. So what exactly this path? Okay, see, exporting Java home as a variable. So variable is nothing but, see, variable is nothing but, okay, it is going to store the data. It is going to store the data. Okay, so Java home variable, we are trying to give the input as a Java executable path, and this path is nothing but by default path. It is nothing but a home bin path. So this is the previous path which is available. So to the previous path, again we are trying to run the Java home path. So now what exactly it is going to say, whenever the Java home is required, it is going to run this particular Java home slash bin path. It is going to run particular this Java home dot bin path. Okay, so now again I am trying to cat this particular file. So now we can able to understand. See, now Java home was there. But now what happened? See, after saving this one, right? So basically, again, we need to source the file. Without sourcing, the changes will not reflect. Without sourcing, without source, changes will not required. So now echo Java underscore home. See, now it is coming like this. But what happens, since I already said, it's stored in the variable. It is stored in the variable. So now $Java home, then it is giving this particular path. For example, echo $home. See, it is giving the root directory. It is giving the root. It is giving the root directory. Okay, so now once this is completed, now we have a very important crucial thing, guys, which command is nothing but alternative config Java. So alternative config Java. So what exactly mean by this one? See, for example, right now we are in a situation we are trying to build only one version of the Java application, but in real time scenario we are going to have a only one build server. It's supposed to build a multiple Java version application. It's supposed to build multiple Java version application. So in that, okay, so in that particular case we are trying to run the alternative Java configuration, in the sense, in one, okay, in the one single server we can install the multiple versions of Java. We can install multiple versions of the Java, guys. Okay, either Java 1.8, Java 11, Java 18, anything we can able to install. Out of that, all those version, which version it's supposed to take it as a by default. Okay, so in our case, okay, in our case by default we need to go with the selection one. Okay, in our case by default we are going with the selection one, guys. So now we need to go and install the Maven, guys. We need to go and install the Maven. So it's up to us, whatever the directory we want, we can able to use that, guys. So cd user local, just I was going inside this particular directory. Okay, so in the local, So now this is the duplicate. Okay, this is fine. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So now I will go to the download. Okay. So we have a different kinds of files are available. Okay. So now I need to get the so I need to get the tar file. So guys, but how I can able to get the tar file here? Can somebody tell me how we can able to get this tar file from the how we can able to get this tar file, guys? Can somebody tell me? So now I want to download this file. See, if I click here, it is downloading in my local desktop. Now, but I want to download this file in the my Linux system. So how we can able to do that? Guys, I think this method we already performed in Tomcat installation.
wget.
Do you guys remember?
wget.
Yes, wget, perfectly. We need to install the wget and particular path. Okay. So now yum install wget -y. Okay, yum install wget -y. So now I will try to go to the downloads. Okay, copy link address. Go here. Okay, so now to cd opt optional directory I was going ls -la. Okay, so wget this particular thing. No. I think some different, yeah. So rm-rf index.html. So then ls. Okay. I will come to here. Open. So wget ls-la. So now we have a Apache Maven which was over here. Okay. So now we need to untar this. We need to untar this particular Maven. Okay. So now we are trying to create a soft link. So what exactly the soft link? Okay. So guys, this might be asked the interview question. Okay. So soft link is nothing but it is trying to create a shortcut of the folder. It is trying to create a shortcut of the folder. So now what happens? See, if we want to, okay, if we want to call this particular folder, so every time we need to use the Apache Maven 3.999, Apache Maven 3.99. So it is going to be a very difficult. Okay, it is going to be a difficult to handle the things. Instead of that one, what exactly I'm trying to do? So this Apache Maven 999, Apache Maven 999 is I'm going to call it as a Maven. See now, if you guys will see Maven. So cd Maven, sorry, cd Maven. So this directory will be there. So this directory, I'm going to call it as a Maven. So this directory, I'm going to call it as a Maven, guys. So now this is also done. So this is also done. So now we need to set up the Maven home. So we need to set up the Maven home, guys. So how we can able to set up the Maven home? So again, this will be the same, guys. Again, we need to update the batch profile. So again, we need to update the batch profile and we need to do the clear thing. So before I'm going to update the batch profile, so just I will try to run the see mvn command is not found. It is saying mvn command is not found, guys. Mvn command is not found. Okay. So now we need to enable the mvn command found. That is what our exactly motto. That is what exactly our motto, guys. So now again, I'm going to open the batch profile. Okay, but before I'm going to open the bash profile, so pwd, so where exactly our maven is installed? Our maven is installed in the opt directory. Okay, in your case, if you install the maven into the different directory, so use that particular directory only. Okay, so now it is open. So now again click on an insert. Okay, so now just, oh, sorry, copy. Yeah. So opt maven. Okay, then again, yeah. So I will show you guys. So before sourcing, just we will see. See now, maven command is not working. Okay, so now we need to source this particular bash profile. See now we can able to get the maven version. So because see now you guys understand the power of bash profile. Now you guys understand the power of bash profile. So now guys, let me know anybody is having any doubt up to here. I know it is a very complex process. Okay. Anybody is having any doubt on this one?
Hello. Hello. Vinay,
Guys,
sir.
any doubts?
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, Navneet, you have any doubts?
Sir, if you use the soft link, is the other source, if I, same thing I rename, sir, so what is the difference between rename and soft link, sir?
Yeah, perfectly. It's a very good question. Okay. So now, see now I see Maven is going to call the Apache Maven 3.99. Okay. So in the tomorrow, if 3.99 will become a 4.0, then I will update only the soft link. Okay. So you got the logic?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will not update the bash profile every time. So I will update the soft link. That's it. So now instead of version, okay, see, instead of version change, we don't have any impact on the bash profile. See, every time setting up the bash profile, every time setting up the environmental variable, it is a very headache task. So that is the reason we are using the soft link method over here. Okay.
Okay.
So now
Okay.
this is fine. So MVN hyphen version. So now this is perfect. Okay. This is perfect. Okay, so now MVN version is perfect. So now we are going to generate our first Maven project. Okay, so now I will come to the root directory. Okay, so yeah, so this is the Maven project command. Okay, so now, yep. So now I will show you ls-la, sorry, ls. Okay, see, we don't have any directory over here. Even if you do the ls-la, you don't have any M2 home path is here. So now if I will enter, so now it is created. See, it's created the entire project. See, project name is my app. Okay, so now what I want to show you. See now dot M2 is created. So dot M2 is created. So now if you go to the dot M2, see repository. Since I already told you, right? Maven is going to set up the local repository. Maven is going to set up the local repository. So did you guys understand? So cd my app. Okay, so pom.xml, src, pom.xml and src. So now we will try to do the MVN clean and package. So guys, always you guys need to remember every time when you are trying to do the any kind of a Maven command. 1 second, guys. Yeah, it is recording. Yeah. So every time when you do the when you guys are trying to run the Maven command, always You guys always be in the project directory. You guys always in the project directory, then only you guys can able to do that. Then only you guys can able to do that, guys. Okay, so even if I use a tree, see, this is the project structure, it was created. This is the project structure, it was created. So now I will try to run the Maven clean. Okay, so now it is trying to run the packages. It is trying to run the packages. So it is trying to download the packages from the repo.maven.apache.org. Repo.maven.apache.org. Repo.maven.apache. Maven repository. Okay, so Maven repository. From here, it is always downloading. So from here, it is always downloading. Okay. Okay, perfect, guys. So now it is downloading. Okay, so but where exactly these packages are downloading? So these packages are downloading in the these packages are downloading in the .m2 file. cd dash .m2. So if you come here, if you come to repository, okay, see here all the packages are downloaded. All the packages are downloaded here. For example, I will go back. ls rm repository. Sorry, rm-rf because it is having the repository. Okay, so now we don't have any repository over here. So now I will try to go to the path. I will try to go to the my application. So guys, I was directly using the commands like this. Okay, so when you guys are trying to do the practice, always go with the, okay, always go where exactly the project was created. Okay, so now three. Okay, so again, I will try to run the MVN clean. See, now again it is downloading. Okay, now again it is downloaded. Okay, so now ls.m2. See, now again the repository was created. Again, the repository was created. So now, see, these are the packages will be automatically created. So now MVN clean. So now it is done. So for example, now similarly, we do have a MVN package also. Similarly, we do have a MVN. See, MVN clean is done. So then now we will try to do the MVN validate. See, whenever you do the MVN validate, see now it's finished in the 2 seconds. Where exactly MVN? See, it's done. So it is going to validate the form.xml file. Okay. So now MVN compile. MVN compile. See, compilation is done. See, every time, see, this is the target directory. It is created every Maven MVN execution. So for example, if you do the MVN clean, okay, see, now the target directory will be deleted. Okay, target directory will be deleted. Okay, target directory will be the deleted. So now MVN compile. So now you guys will see how exactly it is going to create it. Okay. See, now target will be there. Okay. So target will be there. Source and target will be there, guys. Okay, so now MVN clean. So now again I was cleaning the package. Okay, so now MVN package. See, whenever we do the MVN package, it is trying to do the compilation, it is trying to do the unit test, it is trying to do the, it is trying to run the test cases. See, test run, one is success, 0 failures, 0 errors, skip. So now it is trying to do everything. Okay, so now if you come to the tree, see now you guys will see this is the snapshot, guys. This is the snapshot. It is an executable file where exactly we need to do the things. Okay, basically this is the ZAR file we need to upload into the Tomcat server. So then our application will be our application is going to run. Our application is going to deployed. So because we will not deploy this particular application code, even will not deploy this target folder, only we will deploy this particular snapshot. Only we will deploy this particular snapshot. So this snapshot is going to deploy into the Tomcat server. Okay, see again if we do the MVN clean, see now the target file will be deleted. So the target folder will be deleted. So guys, up to here, any doubts? Guys, up to here, any doubts?
One doubt, sir. Sir, how to create, sir? Yeah, sir, why create target folder, sir? So this is
Targeting folder is nothing but, yeah. Yeah. So target folder is nothing but it is by default created by the, yeah, it is a by default. 1 second, guys. Yeah, it is by default created by the Maven build tool. So basically, instead of compiling the code into the source directory only, it is create a new directory for them. So trying to store the result in the target directory. So now see MVN compile. MVN compile, you guys will see. So basically, it is not disturbing the existing code. See, the target will be created inside the target okay, so compilation, okay, result is going to store here. So compilation process is going to store in the target folder. Because what happened, see, if we keep on trying to run this compilation on the source code itself only, it is going to have a lot of mess here. And at the same time, this target folder is don't require the version control. Only the source folder is required the version control. Only the source directory is required the version control. Okay, that is the reason it is automatically trying to create the target. Even if you want, you can change this particular directory name. So that is also doable. That is also doable, guys. Clear your doubts?
yes.
Yeah. Once if you guys don't have anything, then we can try to go for the next topic. Second, guys. Yeah. Okay. So it is done. Okay. So now, so this particular process as of now we installed, it is also done. Maven lifecycle is done. Okay. So now we will go to the pom.xml. So pom.xml, guys. So now, so I think if you guys listen, I think if you guys are there in the last session, I already clearly told you. Okay, so pom.xml is very, very important. So if I cat pom.xml, see in this particular pom.xml, okay, see it is little bit confusion, guys. So now I will do the pom.xml. See, in this pom.xml, we have everything. See, group ID is nothing but group ID is nothing but it is nothing but build artifact. Okay, so now what happens? So using this particular thing, we can able to identify the deployable artifacts. So artifact ID is the my app and the version will be the 1.00 snapshot. Okay, then again, if you slowly come down, okay, see Maven clean plugin, so 3.1.0. Okay, so then again Maven resource plugin 3.0.2. Okay, so now what exactly it is trying to do? Okay, so in the pom.xml, we are trying to have a all plugins and versions information. Using this particular pom.xml, the Maven is going to download everything. Maven is going to download everything, guys. So now I will show you. Okay, so then MVN, the MVN package. Okay, see, this is the package name. So my app 1.0 snapshot.jar. Okay, so now I will update the pom.xml. So my app, okay, so 1.0. So instead of snapshot, I will go with the my app 1.0.0. Now you guys will see the change. Okay, so now what exactly we need to do? So first we need to do the MVN clean. So MVN clean is a default activity we supposed to do. Okay, so now so target folder is deleted. Package. See, my app 1.00 ZAR. My app 1.00 ZAR. Guys, are you able to understand? So how pom.xml is important? Okay, see, for example, instead of my app, I will say LWP labs. Okay, so again, MVN clean. Okay, MVN package. Okay, see, LWP labs dot 1.000.zar. Okay, so as a DevOps engineer, our only the main job is to update this version properly or not. We need to check only this update this version properly or not. So rest of the things can be given by the developer. So we don't have any authority to change the pom.xml. We don't have any authority to change the pom.xml. So this is what the Maven dependencies. See, this is what the example. So this is what the example. So how exactly it is going to do the things, guys. Okay, so even if we want, we can able to add the any of the plugins. So this is just only for the understanding purpose for the maven.pom.xml, guys. Okay, so this is the Maven. This is the Maven tree. Okay, so this is another project which was given for your practice, guys. It was given for your practice. Okay, so just try to do the practice and let me know if you guys are not able to do the things. Let me know if you guys are not able to do the things, guys. Okay, so guys, up to here, any doubts? Guys, up to here, any doubts?
No, sir.
Guys, any doubts up to here?
No, sir. For mine, not.
Okay, so what about you, Kiran and Navneet?
Sir, no doubt, sir. For my side.
Okay, yourselves also no doubt, right? Yeah. So see, for you, there is an assignment at the end. Okay. Okay, in the Maven server itself only. In the Maven server itself only, you guys will try to install the Tomcat. So this is a second project. Okay, so now just I will show you. This is another project. Okay. So it is trying to download a lot of plugins. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so now the new project will be created as a Flipkart, then CD Flipkart, then again free. Okay, so index.jsp will be there. So now you guys need to modify the Artifactory ID and final version name, blah 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 blah. So what exactly you guys need to do? MVN package. Okay, MVN package will be there. So now it is going to do the all testing in all formats. Okay. So now we have a flipkart.var will be there. Okay. So now what exactly you guys need to do? So we have a particular plugin called Tomcat plugin. So we have a particular plugin called Tomcat 7 Maven plugin. So using this particular Tomcat 7 Maven plugin, so we can able to deploy this WAR file into the Tomcat server. We can able to deploy this WAR file into the Tomcat server, guys. Okay, so now this is your particular task. So you guys try to update the pom.xml using this particular code and set up the Tomcat server. Okay, so set up the Tomcat server, guys. Set up the Tomcat server and update everything. Okay, then try to run. It is trying to deploy. It is trying to deploy into the Tomcat application. So this is your small assignment for you. So let me know if you guys can able to do it. Okay, so then it's okay. Otherwise, I will try to tell you how to do that one. Okay, it's a very small, guys. See, up to Maven clean package, everything is ready. So you have to set up the Tomcat server in the same, okay, in the same EC2 mission and setting, okay, same EC2 mission and set up the username and password. Okay, then again, add those username and password into the pom.xml file and try to run the Maven Tomcat deploy. Try to run the Maven Tomcat 7 deploy. Then it will automatically deploy this WAR file into the Tomcat server. Okay, it's a very small task. Okay, so try to do it from your end. Let me know if you guys cannot able to do that. Anyhow, cannot able to do that. So we are going to do that in the next session. Okay, which is nothing but we will try to introduce the Jenkins. So while doing the Jenkins also, we will do the same thing. Okay, so guys, any doubts? If you guys don't have anything, then we can wrap up this session, guys. And one more thing, so regarding our timings, so I'm going to discuss with the support team by today. I think whatever the time changes will be there, so that will be applicable from the next week onwards. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy the sessions and I think you guys can able to do the practice. Okay, so let me know if you guys will have any issues while doing the practice. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Okay, and so before I'm going to leaving the session, I'm going to show you one more thing. Okay, so if you guys didn't like all this procedure, whatever we did from the last 1 hour, you guys can able to do like this also. Okay, so yum install Maven, it will automatically install the Maven. But the problem is, okay, see, it is trying to run with the JDK 17 and we don't have any control over on the Maven. In real-time scenario, we will always do the Maven installation in the manual process only. It is always, we are trying to always install Maven in the manual process only, guys. Okay, so this is all about the today's session. So I already shared this particular document, guys. Don't forget to terminate the instances once if you're done with the practice. Okay, yeah. So that's it, guys. That's it from my side. We will meet on the next session. Have a nice day. Thank you.